Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So after slaying this long week for a couple of days, today I am going to be changing the look entirely. So I'm going to be cutting it short into this trending hairstyle which is going on lately. So it is more like a short curly wig, and I've been seeing so many people with it, and today that is what we are trying to achieve. So to begin with the cutting process, I am going to be leading you through on how to get that bouncy coils and nice volume even after cutting the hair. So the first thing you are just going to do is to use a pair of scissors. So you are going to cut it, but as you can see how my hand is moving, I am not cutting it straight. I am giving it more like a brush cut as I move through. So if you cut it like this, I promise you guys the coils are going to be retained and you are going to get that nice look for your wig. So guys, I cut this wig using a flexi rod in case you don't know. So you can always check out that video if you really want to know how I made this actually. And I used an old braiding hair to make this. So if you're really interested in transforming a wig, if you have an old braided wig hair and you're not making use of it again, then you can absolutely transform it into a beautiful wig. And this wig doesn't have a closure. That is one thing I love about this wig. So guys, as you can see, I'm just taking my time to do this so I can get the perfect result. So next I'm going to do is to spray the hairspray onto the hair. So what I'm basically doing is just to let the flyaway slick down while I do this, but make sure you're not applying too much oil onto the hair. So by the time I'm done guys, this is what we have. So right now, like I always do, I'm going to try this out so you can see. So this is what the wig look like in general. So I'm going to wear it now so you can see, and this is what it looks like guys. This hair came out so beautiful guys, so beautiful. And guys, no one is going to know that this is a synthetic braiding hair wig we just used. So if you're looking to try this out, then don't forget to always follow the process. Do not apply too much oil so the hair doesn't look too fake, and always make sure you're cutting it into sections so at least you're going to get the best results. Guys, check out this hair guys. This hair is so beautiful. I really wasn't expecting it to turn out like this, to be honest, and the hair really surprised me. Everything about the hair, the front, the back, and everything. So guys, let me know guys which you prefer between the long and the short one. For me, I prefer the short one because it gives the right volume. It is so beautiful, and to think that this is a trending hair these days, guys, I love this short one, but I definitely love all of the hair, even the long, the short, everything is so beautiful. So guys, if you're looking to record the hair to have even bouncier coil pattern, all you are going to do is just to roll it up with a flexi rod, and then you're going to spray some water and then use a blow dryer, a hand dryer, to dry this, or you can use any dryer of your choice. So guys, you can always comb the hair. So in case the hair is not slicked down through, or there are so many flyaway, all you are going to do is just to comb the hair, but don't comb it all at once. Soon I'm going to be showing you how it will look like if you comb it all at once, but don't comb it all at once. Just comb it into section and the coils are going to pop out still beautiful. So guys, in case those of you having doubts, this is 100% a braiding hair I used to make this. It's a synthetic wig as it is now. The hair is so beautiful that no one is going to know, so don't tell anyone. So guys, this is out of content. What I'm basically doing is to comb this hair so you can see what it will look like. So I tried combing the hair, guys, to see if the coils are still going to stay, like comb it in uniform. And to my surprise, guys, this hair came out really beautiful. Like everything about this hair, guys, is something I love. So I encourage you to try this out. Try out the wig, guys. If you want the long one, try it out. If you want the short one, try it out. So this is what the back of the wig look like, guys. Everything. So don't forget to watch that video in case you don't know how I coiled this. You can always learn that. It is so easy. It doesn't even waste time. It is effortless. So yeah, that's it about this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.